Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn advanced uses of XLOOKUP with filter and the sort functions. So we will create a dynamic product list in which if I select a supplier name from this drop-down list, which is linked to this table, all products related to these suppliers will be retrieved from this table, sorted by their price. So if I add any data, that must be updated automatically. It means this report must be dynamic. So let us begin how we can achieve this. Before going ahead, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, watch the video till end. If you liked it, hit on the like button and subscribe my channel and do comment. So here is my raw data. First of all, I need to select any cell and convert this into the official table. Make sure you have selected my table has header, then press OK. Don't forget to change the name of the table for better identification. Select any cell in this product table as well. Come to the Insert tab, click on Table, click OK and rename this as well. Press Enter. My first task is to create a dynamic list. For this, I will use the named range. I will give the name of this supplier list. For this, I will go to the formula, define name. I'll give the name. Come over here, remove this, click over here and select this list. Press Enter, then OK. And don't forget the name you have defined. If you want to see again, then formula, name manager, and you can see supplier list and then can close. Now select this cell where you want to make drop down list. Go to data, select data validation, again data validation, select list option from here and enter the name we have defined by using equal sign. Make sure it must be same as we defined and then click OK. Now we can see the list coming over here. Do some formatting using the format painter. Now I can select any name. If I add or delete any name, it must be updated automatically over here. New is coming. Now first we will use XLOOKUP function to retrieve the supplier ID from this table. For this I will use XLOOKUP. Select the cell where we have defined the name of supplier. Make it constant by pressing F4, comma, then give the range of the table in the lookup array, comma. We want to retrieve the supplier ID. Then we will give the return array. Then close the bracket, press Ctrl Enter. We got the supplier ID. So whenever I change the name from here, we will get the supplier ID automatically. Now we will use the filter option to retrieve the product name and their price and the supplier ID over here. Before that, I would like to format the heading as well by using the format painter. Now I will select this cell and I will copy this formula. Now I am going to use filter option to retrieve the product name and the supplier ID and price in this dynamic report. Equal sign, then filter, select this table, comma, then what we want to filter the data using the supplier ID. So I will select this supplier ID, then equal sign, I will paste the XLOOKUP function we have already created, then comma, enter any text in the inverted commas. If no data found, close the bracket, press Enter. We got the data. Now check whether it is working or not. If I am selecting home essentials, data fashions, only one entry is coming. Now I want to sort this table by price using the sort function. For this, select the cell where we have written our complete function. Select the complete function excluding equal sign, copy it, type sort, press tab, then paste the formula we have created, then comma, and we want to sort by the index third, means the price. We will type 3 over here, comma, we want to ascend this data. So I will select 1 and then close the bracket and press Enter. So now we can see the data has been sorted by the price. Now if I change any name, the data must be updated automatically in this report. Let us add some data to see whether it is working or not. So I'm going to use 4 and then dress, and I would like to enter some amount over here, and now I will select data fashions. So that has been come automatically over here. So this is how you can achieve this task to create a dynamic list using the XLOOKUP, filter and the sort. Hope you liked the video. If you have any query, do comment, hit on the like button and subscribe the channel if you are new to my channel. Thank you for watching. Please come back again.